Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. It's Saturday night and we're doing it again. We're starting off with this one. $11.08, 16 minutes. Absolutely sushi. Here we come. Hi, Uber Eats B5 EDC. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So that last order was ready. It was dropped off quick and easy. The only thing I didn't really like is that I went to an apartment, but it wasn't too complicated. They gave me a buzz code. I got right up there. Absolutely perfect, but not as perfect as this one. $12.67 for 19 minutes. Absolute yes, I'm gonna grab that. I'm very excited about it. Let's go grab it. Let's go en route to 25 bucks an hour. Hi, Uber Eats for Nazem? Nazem?
Just give me 3 minutes.
Sure. Thank you. So I've been waiting around after that last drop off, probably about 15 minutes. I haven't gotten anything, nothing at all. This one came in, so I took it. $6.38 for 15 minutes. It's pretty easy. Might as well get a quick $6, get over 30 and continue on with our night. I'm picking up for Uber Eats. For Emma.
Just give me like 2 minutes.
Sure. Awesome, thank you. Appreciate it. You too. The offers tonight are slow and steady. We're not really getting them one after each other. But I took this one, $16.06 for 35 minutes. Funny story about this offer. They offered it to me about 6 or 7 minutes ago for $11 and change. I thought, I'm not gonna take it. I actually said in my car, no, you gotta be over 15 if you're gonna want me to take that one. Then ultimately, the same offer came back and it was $16. I think I spoke it into existence. Either way, 16 bucks, I'm glad to take it. 84770 Uber.
44770.
Oh, I think it's that one there.
770. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, it looks like there's there's three. Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure I got all of them.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi. Sorry, I couldn't see the number and the navigation was telling me that way. Yeah, no worries. The navigation was telling me that way and then take a right. It was very odd. There was nowhere else to go. But I'm here and that's all that matters.
Awesome.
I got 3 bags for you.
Says thank you to somewhere.
There's one. And then there's 2 of these guys.
Wow, that's a lot.
If you want to take that one.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a nice night.
You too. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So I wanted to come on here and say that last drop off was super easy, but it wasn't. I was going down a street. The navigation told me to pass her house and then actually turn right, which would have taken me into the woods. Obviously, I circled back and then she came out, started waving, realizing I passed her house. But it was the navigation's fault. But one of my subscribers, Josephine, thank you so much for sending me the email. There's an update in her area. It's not happening in mine. It might happen in yours, where they're talking about new features for the app. They said it's going to be better, 20 new features, easier to use. First of all, it better be, because this app absolutely sucks. The most important thing to me that I noticed was improved navigation. It even said when you're walking on foot, it will tell you exactly where you need to go. 9 times out of 10, it doesn't matter. But in situations like this, and I talked about it on a few videos ago as well, where it just is taking you the long route, just get me the quickest way there and get me there accurately, especially when I've never been to the area before. But all in all, $16 in my pocket. And yes, most of it was base pay, but you got to take a look at this one. $10.69, 9 minutes. Absolutely yes. Can't wait to grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Chelsea. Ah, perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. You too. So I've got some great news. That very first order I had, the sushi order, the customer gave just under $4 additional tip. The second order, fried chicken, an additional $3 tip. So absolutely perfect. I'm loving that. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Customer. I really appreciate the extra tips you gave me. Uber hid the tips, but I'm okay. I'll take it. I'm really happy about this. I'm also happy about this order. $7.66, 21 minutes. It's not the best order, not like the last one. That was done in under 5 and over 10 bucks. I love that. But I'll take this one and keep the night going. Uber Eats for Derek.
What's the name?
Derek? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. You, Derek?
How's it going?
Good. How about you? Got your pizza for you.
Perfect.
And there you go, sir. Enjoy.
Sir.
You too. Uber Eats for Jason?
For Jason?
Yeah.
So total is $10.
Great. Thank you. There you go, sir. Yeah, no problem. Enjoy.
Take care.
Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats for Christine.
Christine?
Christine, yes.
It's gonna be a couple minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Hi, Uber Eats pickup for Aaron. Aaron, A-R-I-N. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Perfect. There you go, sir.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. No problem. So the offers have really slowed down. Even that last one I took for $10.30 was questionable. I had to wait at both restaurants, but what choice did I have? I wasn't getting anything, and I'm still not getting anything, so I'm gonna call it a night. I've been out for just over 4 hours. I'm gonna end the night with $89.42. I was really hoping to get back to 100, but I'll take 90 bucks any day. If you could like this video, subscribe to the channel. That would be amazing. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.